Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. So we're going to be talking about gold because I gave you gold. I gave this trade last week on Friday, and you remember what I told you. Check the video that I put there. Remember what I told you, that I expect gold to keep on rising, and by that time I think we are around 130. Yeah, 130 pips. 130 pips. Right now it is around 250, almost double the ones that we had on Friday. So gold has been shooting to the upside. And I told you that is the only, okay, there were two trades, but that one was the only trade that gave us profits. There, Euro GBP today moved so well, but it has later pulled back into the zone. I don't know why Euro GBP keeps on doing that, but it pulled back into the zone. However, we shall find ways of trying to make sure that we hold it up to our TP. So before I break down, this is going to be a short video because it is already midnight, you can see here, and I want to go and rest. So I'm just going to do a quick video for you guys such that you can feed on, then I go and rest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to like the video at the end. So this is gold, and this is the 6-hour time frame. So for things as we always go to the high time frame, but when we went to the daily, there was nothing significant on the daily, except that what we could only see that gold had broken out of this consolidation. This was the consolidation here. So gold broke out of the consolidation. After it broke out of the consolidation, it was a sign that gold was likely going to continue to the upside after breaking out of the consolidation. So after it had broken out of the consolidation, we normally need a retest, and then we proceed to the upside. Those people who trade break and retest, we're going to require a retest, and then we continue to the upside. This one here, and then we continue to the upside. However, now what happened in this case is that the retest did not happen. Price just continued randomly to the upside. Now after that, it left for us what we call demand zone. Instead of break and retest, it left for us what we call demand zone. And the thing is supposed to be simple for as long as you understand what we mean by a demand zone. Or if you don't understand what we mean by a demand zone, for as long as you understand the true, okay, the components that make a valid demand zone, then you're just going to know that this is a demand zone. This is rally based rally. So price was unlikely to come and retest on this zone before it can continue, because it gave us a demand zone there. So what we did is very simple. We mark that demand zone here on the daily, and then we drop down to the medium time frame. Now normally we always want confirmation from daily, but you have to understand this is gold. The way you trade gold is not the exact same way that you're going to trade the other pairs. So we drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, there were two zones. So this one was still valid. This one that we got from the daily was still valid. Then let me just refine this zone, guys, like that. So this one was still valid. Then we had this zone here. However, because it is gold, this one we went all the way to the 1-hour time frame because it was gold. So we went all the way to the 1-hour time frame because it was gold, to make the stop loss a little bit smaller. Okay, not smaller, but the 1 hour is not as heavy as the daily time frame. So this was the zone to buy from gold, and I told you I told you the things last time, so I don't have to keep on explaining everything. You guys, the problem with you is that you want to be baby fed everything. You don't want to do anything on your own. I don't know why you don't trust yourselves. Even when I give you the things here, you don't want them. All you want is someone to come here and tell you buy, sell, buy, sell. Those are the things that you expect. You don't want to do anything on your own. Don't be lazy, guys. This is Forex. You have to make sure that you practice the things and learn them the way they are supposed to be done. So this was the demand zone and this was the another zone. So there were two zones. If this one did not hold, we're expecting to buy from this one here. But why did we go for the first one? Now you have to understand, I always go for the first zone because even the first zone is valid. And number two, if price is bullish, then there is no reason as for why price should go all the way down there. Yes, sometimes it goes there, but most of the times it will not, because price is already bullish, guys. Price is already bullish. So we just react from the best zone possible and then we continue to the upside. Like it's just like that. It's just like that, and it should be like that. So those people who always say, oh, you drop down to the second zone because the second zone is the one that is going to give the reaction because of liquidity. You just need to have a lot of terms such that you can justify your losses. But the truth is that price does not follow all those things. Price is going to go where it wants to go, but it's most importantly going to react from zones it has given a good move before. Simple and straightforward, and that is what is happening here. Now we wait for price to come back to this zone and then we execute the trade. As simple as that. We wait for price to come back to this zone and then we execute the trade. And this is what happened exactly. This is what happened exactly. Where is my replay tool? Why is this one here? This is what happened exactly. So we waited for price to come back to the zone, and as you can see, price played and tapped into the zone. Then after it had entered the zone, we entered on the green candle. Come out. This one here. So you enter from there like that. Stop loss is slightly below, and then TP1 was there, TP2 was here. It has already been hit. Now we are continuing to the upside. I just wish gold continues to go to the upside because I missed it around here. Now it has been going up. Now it has also reached that zone and bought. Here I've gotten it. So let's just see what price is likely to do going forward. And then you play price forward after entering from there. Now all you need is to be patient. You have done everything according to your strategy. All you need is to be patient for price to give you pips. You people don't want to be patient. You don't want to be patient. You always want to be in the market every now and then, whether what. So you play price forward like that, and you can see price try to pull back, then retrace back, then boom. Where is it? We are there right now. And this is why I told you last time, if you remember, guys, I told you that price is likely going to do what? Is likely going to react from this zone. If you listen to the guys, I don't know what you guys want me to give you. If you really listen to that video so well, you'll hear me saying the thing. And I told you, price is likely to react from this zone and go up. Or if it comes, it creates another zone, it will react from it and then go up, just like it has done there. And now we are looking at almost 200 pips in profits on gold. On gold, guys. So I don't know what you guys want me to give you, but I've really tried my level best. Just go and practice. Go and practice on a demo account. Then later you can come on the live account. So I think that is all for now, guys. I think that is all for now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to like the video. Oh, mentorship is still on. $100 for general classes and then $200, $300 for private classes. Also, signals. I have the best signals, and before that, I have the best mentorship. at least on the African continent, because the things that I've been teaching you guys, yeah, I don't know, but you should be profitable by now, guys. So signals are $120 for a full year, $120 and $80 for 1 month. So you can choose any package. The book is only $10. Use it for confirmations and other things. So I think that is all for today. I just wanted to make a quick video because it has been 2 days since I last made the video. You see how gold has given us pips. So WhatsApp me on that number and ask for what you want. But what you have to understand, guys, is that I don't teach for free. I've given you the prices there. And also, go straight to the point when you WhatsApp me, and then we can proceed. All right, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We shall meet in the next one. Bye. I don't do investments. I don't do account management. I don't do investments. I don't do account management. Whoever is telling you on YouTube that and on Telegram that is me trying to invest in whatever Bitcoin, what, that is not me, and I will never inbox anyone first. Remember, trade with risk management. Trade with risk management. This video is only for educational purposes and it is not financial knowledge. It is not financial knowledge. It's only for educational purposes. So I think that is all. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. We meet again tomorrow in another one. Bye. Bye, guys.